Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and I have just been to Ikea and I have got a few things, but before I show you what's in the bag, let's take a look and see what's in Ikea. And yes, it is a lovely sunny day. The sun has come out in the UK and it's really hot. This is probably the hottest it's been today, and I'm off out to Ikea. I haven't been since I cannot remember. So yes, I'm off to Ikea and I'm hoping to show you a few great things from there, and if I get anything then I'll definitely be showing you what I got from there. So see you soon. I'm on my way. Hello, and yes, here we go. We are here at Ikea finally, and this is the entrance, and look how they display the cute little bed over there. I'm also looking for a rug, and that looks like similar to the one that I want to get. I'm loving all of the wardrobes and all of the layouts. I love the wardrobes with the added feature of light, and when you open the drawers you can see the way that everything is organised with these organised makers here. So yeah, I'm just looking at the moment. I'm not really buying anything or interested in anything, but I just came here for some inspiration and looking for ideas. Obviously, if I see something I like, I will grab it, as we all do, but I just wanted to show you all of the layouts that they have. I'm picking up this pink pillow here. I think that would look lovely in my bedroom. It's a cushion cover, and look at the layouts. It's just great to get ideas for the house, really. And if you do have any projects, which I do have one going on at the moment, and I'm going to keep that as a surprise, so keep watching the videos because there will be another project coming out which I am working on, and that's one of the main reasons as well I've come out to Ikea, to look for some inspiration for that project as well. So you can see the beautiful plant pots there, the gold. I love all these kind of drawers and the handles for the kitchen. It kind of looks like a country farmhouse. I love one of these ceramic sinks. I'm thinking maybe in the future it'd be something that I would like. So yeah, keep your eyes, like I said, for further projects. I love all those colourful containers there. Yeah, and look at this, look at the fridge, it's all compact. I just love that. I love that effect of having the fridge combined with the kitchen units. It just looks all neat and tidy. Yeah, so that's really nice. Let's go over here. This is a little work table and chair. I think it's very cute, especially if you have small areas in your home. This would be ideal because it doesn't take up much room. And loving the table there and the full chairs. These are exactly the same chairs that I have at the moment in my kitchen, and the exact table I have as well, big round table from Ikea. They've just displayed it a little bit differently, but I really like it. And check out this checkered little container box here. If that was for sale, I think I would have bought it, but it's just for show. And look at these cupcakes here, and they're just for show as well, but they look really real. I think somebody's eaten one of those cupcakes, and yeah, they're just displaying the cake case there. But yeah, I look at all the way they've put all the photos on the walls and all the cupboard space. They've made use of everything, even in small places. I'm looking at the flooring. I really like this flooring as well. So I take everything into consideration when looking. I love these shelves here. You could literally use these for bookcases, for displaying things in. I like the fact that they can be mix and match, and there's one over there. You can use it as a bench slash a place to put little books or things. So these are good, you know, and look at the way that they've done it up there. I love that. You can just hang them up, put your little shoes, put your handbag behind. Great display cabinets. Obviously, you know my bathroom. If you haven't, check out that video. It is in black and white a design. So hence why I'm in this little bathroom here. I just love the black and white. And again, I'm still, you know, anything to look for ideas or any added touches. So yeah, so this is a really small bathroom, but they've still made it look bright and airy. And there's the bedroom that comes with the attached bathroom here. And again, check out the small desk. Look at that little tiny desk, and it has a little drawer, and the drawer's been lined as well with lining paper, which I really like. I love that little black lamp you can hang up. There's the bookshelves here. It's really nice. I love the way that you can actually have an office and look at that small space. I'm sure everybody's got a small space like this in their house, and don't think about it could just be a tiny office space. Here they've put a little cot room, and I love it because I love the drawers at the side, and so it's really nice space. And I just love the layout of this room. So, you know, it doesn't have to be what I would personally prefer, but obviously when you go to showrooms, it's just showing you. Look at these wardrobe here with these sliding doors, and they've got the black rim around, really effective. And you've got these little side little drawers. Just, you know, they've thought about everything and how to keep things nice. So that's enough of the showrooms. I'm going to be having lunch before heading off back. I've decided to get an IKEA meal, vegetarian, lovely vegetarian meatballs here with some mixed vegetables, peas. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip there. So let's see what I actually got from IKEA. So okay, a few little things in this bag, and it's obviously a little mismatch of a few things that I've got. So first things first, I got this. They have these beautiful knitted blankets or throws. You know, you could put this on the end of your bed. You can actually put this, you know, on the sofa. You can have this anywhere in your room, or even on the end of your bed if you have like a little stool or something. They just look great. They had them in a few different colours. There was especially creams and pinks seemed to be the popular colours that I saw there, and these were £19.99 as I remember. So yeah, that's you can see, you know, it's quite I don't know if they actually give you the measurements on here. Yeah, this is 130 by 170 centimetres, so good size as well, especially if you're watching a movie and you just want to cuddle up on the sofa and have a lovely throw, or it would look great in any bedroom, especially against greys and whites. Lovely. I also got a pink pillowcase as well. It's not a pink pillowcase, sorry, it is a cushion cover, and it is for a cushion that's 50 by 50. So that would be a great, and it's in a kind of like a canvas material. So that's really pretty, and again it's in keeping, especially if you've got like an armchair cushion and throw. So that is really nice. So I definitely find homes for that. What else have I got? I've got the most popular thing you can find in IKEA. Many people have bought this for many different reasons, and it is these lovely containers. I mean, these are beautiful. I mean, can you believe it? £1.75 for 4 of these, and they are the glass, and they've got these lovely chrome lids on there. You've seen from my video, I did my kitchen organisation. I actually got spice jars and everything else that I need. I think I might keep this in my office, and I might put things like some paper clips and little things that you need for an office to go inside these jars, and I think that they are stackable as well, so it takes less room. Yeah, and if you haven't checked out my office that I created, please look through my videos on this channel, and there is a video there where I actually did a home office, and I have some Desenio prints as well that I put in that office. So yeah, I think I'll have this on my desk somewhere, and I'll put in my little knickknacks in there and keep them contained. So that's great. Also, I mean, you cannot get away with even food, although it's IKEA and it's good for bits and pieces. There are actually some great things you can buy. I love these biscuits. I bought almond ones as well, and I couldn't resist and ate those. These are the Cappuccino Thins. I love thin biscuits. I don't like these thick biscuits. I love really thin biscuits. It's great with a lovely even cup of tea, coffee, hot chocolate. Really nice flavours and textures. They really taste really nice. Yeah, so I got the pack of those. I also got a pack of original Swedish fish. I think these ones are suitable for vegetarians as well, so that's great. And I mean, look at the little fishies. So I will enjoy those as well. And again, you know, you cannot get away with getting these little Dame, and I love these because these are individual, so you don't have to eat a big chunk at a time. You can just nibble, and they last as long as you want them to last, so I got those as well. I also got these biscuits. Let me show you these. This is a 600G, and it is memory moments with laughter and biscuits. I love that. So take a break. It says a Swedish style. So these are their Swedish biscuits from Ikea, and they look like that. And they are actually oat biscuits. Sorry, let me show you. There you go, so you can see them. So I decided to get 2 packs of those because oats are very healthy as well, and I got 2 packs of those biscuits. Right, what else have I got in here? I've also, these are very handy things to use, and they stop if you ever have a rug and it's, you know, it keeps moving everywhere. This is great. So this keeps your rug in place. So I have a rug in my living room, and it keeps going all over the place. So this was long due, and I suppose you can cut this to any size you want. I don't know the actual measurements of this. I know that it's a large. This is 67.5 by 200 centimetres, so that's definitely plenty of space. And you just put that obviously in the middle of the area, and then put your rug on top, and it's not going to go anywhere. So I've got that. Right, so I showed you a video about me doing my garden table, and this was just like maybe 2 videos ago, because I'm starting to think about the summer, investing in the garden area. And especially if you go to Ikea, it's not just about indoors, there's a lot of outdoor stuff now that you can get. And I'm thinking about, you know, this summer making it my little retreat place, somewhere where I can go, where I can relax, somewhere where like when I've had been out for the day, somewhere where I can just have a nice cup of tea and look at a lovely view. So I'm starting to think more about the garden and getting things for the garden this year. So I decided to get this beautiful bottle, and just look at that, and you've got the detailing. I don't know if that's a eucalyptus plant there going on, but you've got this beautiful detail on the bottle. It's a lovely traditional bottle where you just lift the lid like this and then seal it, and it says it's actually non-leakable, so I'm hoping that that's the case. Yeah, I've still got the seal on, but if I take that seal off, you can see the beauty of that and how that would look on any table. I'm decided to keep this and put like a nice lemon drink on there, and something refreshing for the summer. I've also got this brush as well, which is very handy, that they had right next to these bottles, and that will help you to clean out your bottle, because this is very hard, as you can see from the top. What would you get in there to clean it? But this brush does the job. So yeah, I bought those as well. And in keeping with my garden theme, I decided to invest in these 2 sunflowers. Oh yeah, by the way, that was £1.75 as well. And these garden flowers were £4.50 each. But I must admit, they're good quality, and they really do look real, and they look very vibrant, and the way they displayed them in the shop. So probably don't look much now when I'm holding them, but when we put them in the garden, they will look really, really nice and effective. So those are the things that I got from Ikea. I hope that you enjoyed some of the things that I got there, and yeah, so my next video is going to be a garden tour, and I'm going to be showing you what I've done, and you might see some of these items in the garden, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's going to be a garden tour. I'm going to show you some of the things that I've bought, just to make it, like I said, my little retreat. And yeah, a lot of the things I got from Amazon in that garden as well. So check out that video, because that video will be coming after this video, and you'll just be seeing everything I got for the garden, and you will see that lovely solid wood table that I did the stain on there and lacquered it to protect it in one of my previous videos. And yeah, you'll just see how stunning everything looks. I'm really happy with it. I really love going out there now and having a nice cup of tea. I have to add my little touches to that garden, and if there's a bit of a colder day, then I've got my blanket and even a cushion ready. Yeah, so can't wait to show you some of those developments. So I just like to say I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, then please do so, and also hit on that notification so you don't miss out on any more fabulous ideas. Yeah, hope to see you all again in another video. Stay safe, take care.